and the Padma River, a silver ribbon across the heart of Bangladesh. Vast and powerful, it flows with ancient energy. Its waters, a reflection of the sky, change with the light. Since time immemorial, the Padma has been a lifeline, a source of sustenance, a witness to history. Its currents carry whispers of ancient tales. The Padma's beauty is captivating. Sunrise paints the waters gold, sunset ignites the sky with fiery hues. The river mirrors it all, a canvas of ever-changing art. Life along the Padma's banks moves at its own pace. Fishermen cast their nets, their silhouettes etched against the dawn. Villages stand on the banks, embraced by the river's presence. Children play by the water's edge, their laughter echoing across the river. Women wash clothes, their colourful saris adding vibrancy to the landscape. The river sustains them all. Boats, large and small, sail gracefully on the Padma. Wooden fishing boats, their sails billowing in the wind. Ferries laden with people and goods, connecting communities, each vessel a testament to the river's importance. Across the wide expanse of the Padma, a marvel of modern engineering stands tall. The Padma Bridge, a symbol of progress and ambition. Its towers pierce the sky, connecting the river's banks with steel and concrete. The bridge is a feat of human ingenuity, its construction a testament to Bangladeshi resilience and expertise. A beacon of hope, connecting people and possibilities. The bridge stands as a testament to progress, a symbol of a nation's aspirations. It carries the dreams of millions, a promise of a brighter future. The Padma River and the Padma Bridge, a juxtaposition of the ancient and the modern. The river, a symbol of timeless beauty and enduring strength. The bridge, a testament to human ambition and innovation. Together they represent the spirit of Bangladesh, a nation rooted in its heritage, yet striving for progress, a land where nature's wonders inspire human achievements. The Padma Bridge stands as a symbol of unity. It connects people, bridging distances and fostering connections. It stands as a testament to national pride, a beacon of hope for the future. The Padma River and the Padma Bridge, a timeless flow, a modern marvel. Together they paint a picture of Bangladesh's past, present and future,